I almost didn't come to this program because a year ago I was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. My name is Jim Caldwell. My wife and I travel full-time. We don't really have a home base, but I have spent the last year in and out of the hospital. It's been rough. I've had 20 procedures under anesthesia. Since all this has happened, I've had 2 clear scans, and so we decided to come on. Really, 6 months ago, I didn't know whether I would be able to attend or not, or even be around to attend. I chose NRVTA because this was an Alliance-specific RV. I don't plan to become a tech. I just wanted to know how to work on my unit alone to save some money. If you're looking for a school, I would highly recommend NRVTA. It has met my expectations. It's actually exceeded my expectations. This program has been very hands-on. It's not just classroom work. I have learned a tremendous amount about the systems, whether they be electrical, water, heat, air conditioning, whatever they are. I would highly recommend that you come. This has been tremendous for me.